Ordú céime bhaintach ó rangadó an orig, bhí deise go mná Corcaigh a náid a léir cenis rang a héana dhéanú le buamháin eile, ag an deir seachtaine. Ina gcuinge bhí an bhí, ach bhí géarthá agus san le bua leis, le taxsláán ó Highland Eastlú céime. Mach darmach donnacha a hamon trátrota.
Well, simply le seo má bhún Corcaigh a seo, siad in san glyfa canis, fiú le clifa le spáráil. Well, chun na mí, well, ní sin slán fós. An glúis a Johannes at Corcaigh. As a shadow of Johannes Anya Sullivan is a Buaicphointí Anya. Buaicphointí Jessica Harry Traston. 2 score. A Corcaigh gone in score 4 second V. Shadow of Nish again. Colin Lions is Garrett Lirut Ibro Mach. Beginning in school session. Was in Shadow of Tokawaha. Was a Fortarashik Ifahili. Chata Shakan Johannes should the Katie Quirk. Katie Kifosa Garage the lane. Hudson throws the core. It was Katie little goal. What fuel she Hudson Dory the me chin. Agus that. The door at Tronish. Don V trash tacht rash piece of Agnish Color Jenna Foes. Corbett Jasper should the Marion Farley Nish Farley in the Kitto goes a Buaicphointí Jessica Marion. Dirty Kayla, to the tacht rash. A trin of fós ag chun an méhí. Cúpla of sponsors an bhá tucha agus a tra cúpla ceann nachrá íontach. Pass Jas tras in the park imrón tá Jas le héin sin in lán tosach. Ar Woods sheer tá si de có Ibron Shaw which is the spin or Colin but she's off to the Colin but she's off to the Colin. A Colin scorer to Rachel Casserly. Cork and Gaibrin the Lero just trasna. Gonna go dinner. Richard Leahy the Lamachar Tevenish. Is that fortunate? Amy Corcoran. Amy Chaka train. Shell of Fosa again. Arm rower again. Shin goal. Eiltoch again. Corcoran. On goal. You can lower the Jenica now. First she shell of flesk. She read the Cossentori. I was clear integration. Catches Jachan Chin in the return. Sheer Nish is a caption. Kick cuts Nish. On your toe, kicks here on. Kicks here. Well, Hatcha Girl Clabberth Martasha Tuckish Jach and Ishton kicks here Tuckish Jach. What was that? Nicky Hawkins and Ish. Emma Duggan took on a kick show, will a happen. And he was in a lot of Emma Duggan bowling skip way. Emma shots a goal. Well, the Emma Ray, near a cousin Lori Horkeray. Duggan comes for the Bejerlish. Get a shot of her. Come on. Shots of the goal. The chance to reach, she's on Highlands, the God Kanchanaga's on Cole, also Cole, Daniel Sullivan, you easy going, he says, Korea, Gappen, Leroy down the Stach, August Nero Lejenica, Leroy the Sturo Stach. Cork a track to reach, and it's that. Caracholin is in a foreigner, to the Abbey O'Mahony. Being past the Stach or reach. On Sullivan, a shock to Katie, Cork chance to Katie, Dara Cole is on, Dara Cole scoring to Katie. Go Holy Katie, go Holy Gonyo Sullivan. He happened to win the Corkanish. Hunger Kamaharis, Marion Farley, and it's calling Marion Farley. Ishil is Shach and Chen, ach Peter got a roll, you're knocked off. And you're knocked straight, Charlie, Cork the best. Infant Buaicphointí.